Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix your pin is no longer available on Windows 10, 11. Hold Shift key and click Restart. Click Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options, click Command Prompt. Type regedit. Select H key local machine, click File, click Load Hive. Find Windows installed location. In my case C drive is Windows installed drive location. System32, config folder. Select software, click open. Type MS Software, click OK. Click and expand H key local machine, click and expand MS Software. Click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows NT. Click and expand current version, click and expand passwordless. Click Device, open device passwordless build version, change value data to 0. Close and exit registry editor. Click Sign in options. Select Microsoft account password or system password. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.